In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the screen lock PIN, password or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. The first step is to open the settings app, and in the main settings menu, look for the option labeled security and privacy. Tap on lock screen and then select screen lock. Enter in your current PIN, password or pattern, and then you have two options. You can choose to move from your current screen lock type to a different one. So for example, if you're currently using a pattern, you can choose to use a PIN or a password, or you can still stay with your current screen lock type but change it. So for this option, you can just tap on that current screen lock type and enter in a new one. So enter in the new one, tap on continue, and then enter it again to confirm the pattern. Now, wherever you're on your lock screen, you'll use your new screen lock PIN, password or pattern. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.